Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to accomplish this right here with a bevel with two different colors, and you cannot just bevel them, cut them in half and bevel each, because then you get this center part that's broken up. This video will not help that many people. We're going to set our nudge factor on 6 inches, and we're going to make a duplicate of that and move it down. Now I need to go ahead and make this yellow, and I'm going to bevel. I open the bevel, which is underneath effects and bevel, and I'm going to bevel it just about that much. But before I do that, well, no, I can do that. And then, so I need to turn this into a bitmap for this to work. And depending on if you're printing it or whatever color. Now we're going to draw 2 boxes, but we want it at a slant, so it's almost easier to just slant a line and then draw you some boxes. Doesn't have to be square, and we're just going to go. What I'm doing is just making a box around the text. Now I want those boxes to be, let me grab the text and let me move it down. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that in and move it over and over. What that did, that put all these lines together. You can see those lines aren't together. So now I can move it back, and I can left click, right click. So we got 2 different boxes there. I'm going to take this first one, I'm going to nudge it down, and I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to go to intersect, and I'm going to move my intersect over. Then I'm going to nudge that out of the way and get the top of the box. Whoop. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now the intersect tool will not work on the bevel, so we have to do that way. But now we've got our other text, and we're going to do the exact same thing, but I really only have to do the bottom. So I'm going to move it up, and I'm going to select my text, and I'm going to make it that green. And then I'm going to take all this and I'm going to intersect it. So now I've got a bottom. Now if I move it down, you can see it's on top. But if we take the transparency tool and just make it a little transparent, the bevel is going to show through, and you can kind of change the color, and that looks pretty good right there. Anyway, I hope that gave them some ideas, and thank you for watching.